2024 Mercedes-Benz GlC Coupe is bigger but still extroverted. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GlC Coupe follows its squarer counterpart into a new generation. Along with the along with new exterior in Along with new exterior and interior styling, the GlC Coupe has slightly bigger dimensions than its predecessor. It features a 255 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder paired with a 48-volt hybrid system, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. In the past 2 years, Mercedes has introduced new generations of the C-Class sedan and the GlC Class SUV. Now the German luxury brand debuts the latest sloped-back counterpart, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GlC Coupe. Just like with the more traditional-looking GlC, the Coupe alternative is slightly bigger than its predecessor. At 187.5 inches from the stem to stern, it's 1.2 inches longer than before. The track widths have also grown by 0.2 inch in the front and 0.9 inch in the rear. The growth part helps expand the SUV's cargo area. Its 19 cubic feet of space is 1 cube more than before. The most obvious changes to the GlC Coupe follow those of the SUV version, revealing themselves once the doors are open. The twin digital displays use Mercedes' newest MBUX infotainment system, making use of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a portrait-oriented 11.9-inch touchscreen, which is slightly angled toward the driver.